Those have seen nothing, it's all a joke. Gun smoke is what spurs these kittens to tears. You shall not remain with arms crossed for years. The whipping boy clears those mixed cries. Black dogs groove through house of perfection. Comfort sections within an eternal hymal. Harangue all day, your spirit won't be full. Documentation of the argumentative. Sedation of genuine feelings assure the tentative. I see clear skies during day cast gray. Juxtaposed probes like land-walking stingray. What is and what should never be. That's me without a single thing to say. Freakish dismay is surely thrown astray through the scribbling of another valiant verse. But don't curse, that's the great challenge. Crumbling walls, mental stalls, victory falls. The poisonous spider nearby crawls. All the while the backseat baby balls. These days I can't differentiate good and bad, so I'll keep rambling in my bachelor pad. Glad the optician stayed home today, and I could play games with just a hint of dismay. Wash the mind of the daily grind. Wash the mind and soon you will find. Wash the mind of that tough outer rind. Wash the mind so you can unwind. Wash the mind to never be behind. Wash the mind for signature unsigned. Wash the mind to become as you're designed. Lave. Cancer spreads to the minds of this land while the extended hand reveals the answer. Spoken words split in thirds, spit on birds. A disastrous occurrence, a levee breaks. Then a fresh mentality awakes. The earth quakes from tools Hephaestus makes. Normalcy needed by fantastic instruction. Suction of hope creates emotional destruction. An eruption of teeming rose suction. Seeming to be a body that dies slow. Glow through the tunnel covered of fro. Throw a rock to test the water first. Death Star of the town making homes burst. Well out the poison, rats are contorting. Cats are casting an air fusty from sorting. Thrown into battle lacking adequate shield. Between heifer, goat, ram, all will be revealed. Birds of prey will be driven fast away. Familiarity exchanged for an estranged element. Stories so long you become deranged telling it. I am the other suffer like Ishmael's mother, in search of many talented men to call brother. My city's being destroyed quickly by night. Hey Lord, is there not one righteous in Sodom? I've got 'em all found out. Reason with this season and it'll stop snowing. The wind's surely blowing far too fast. Blasters set to stun, convinced to work a gun. Picking up mortars, mountains, trying to grasp them fast and throw in the ocean. Less lucky than Frank with the positivity potion. Motion creates the sound to bring it all around. Make way, the returned king is being crowned. Flee from the land where babies are drowned. We just witnessed a crash and the Joker frown. Teleportation can make a gargantuan mountain flat. Laser face vision takes care of a miniature rat. Hell cells self-destructive from hardy inertia. Blurting out times in New York, look at the mother store. My connection inhibits you from getting the proper section. Correction, it stops entire empire's erection. Sweep the decks, the lack of labor is pernicious. Leave the mind of those luscious, lusty fantasies. Fairies write accompaniment composition, please. Staff of wasted, weaving those parts seized with ease. Unhappy souls keep doing the ignored dance. Ignorance only gets a flight back from France. The rest is found in rest. The real meal turn of a wheel reveals something great for once and break the seal. It's a sour deal to stay in all day and not play. Choose that, I'd say there's more electric in an eel. Reveal true colors, hang your flag north, and one day you may even become real. Lave, step 1 foot out of the grave. Lave, contradict every other mental slave. Lave, find a brand new road to pave. Lave, redefining the word behave. Lave, it's only 1 step out of the cave. Lave, have it be your own life that you save.